Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. If you're not familiar with my channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I sell vintage and a few modern brands on sites like eBay, Etsy, Poshmark, and Depop. And today I have an unboxing video. I purchased a repair box from Ducho thrift. I'm sure you're all familiar with her. She has a second Poshmark closet, and I'm gonna link it down below, where she is selling repair boxes. So this box is supposed to be 7 items. I paid $3 for this box. So she had a huge sale just to introduce this new project that she's doing. I'm not sure where she gets these items. I don't know if they're Nordstrom returns or where exactly she purchases her palettes from, but she did do a preview video where she showed some really nice brands. And a lot of the items, some items had like damaged zippers, had holes, some holes were on the seams, other were on like the actual garment. So they're really pieces that you can repair or that you can repurpose into something new. And I am hoping that I can repair at least one of these items and resell it. And if I can sell at least one item, I'm sure I'll break even. Again, this box was $3, and with shipping and tax, it came out to $10.74. So I'm so excited to get into this box. And if you're interested in this kind of content, go ahead and give me a like and subscribe. Follow along on my journey. I am doing 2 videos a week now, and so far so good. I hope you guys are enjoying them. Link a playlist of some recent videos up here if you want to take a look, and let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, so I've actually been really good about not buying mystery boxes online because I did get a little too into it last year, but I think this is my first unboxing of the year. So, I'm so excited. I love unboxing videos. Let's do it. Okay, so first item. Oh, it has like a little sticker. I can't see the brand. Okay, so the first brand is called Parker. I'm not sure, but it does have some staining. It has like a watermark or something, or an oil mark. I'm pretty comfortable with stains. Like, I feel like I can take this out, and even if I can't sell it on any platform, at the very least I will send it into ThreadUp and see if I can get a few bucks for it. So here's item number 1. Item number 2 is a turtleneck sweater. It has a lot of peeling. This is Charlie. Oh, this is wool. Okay, I can also send this into ThreadUp. It has a lot of pilling though, so we'll see. 2. Ooh, this feels like silk. Ooh, is this a dress? Oh my gosh, this feels so good. Poshmark for sure. It feels so nice. Let's see. Oh, can we get the full length? Yeah, it's like maxi length. Well, what's the flaw? I mean, there's some. We go. So there's like a little hole on the seam here. I feel like that can be repaired. Like, just stitch it back up. This is an easy fix. Okay, let's keep digging. I like polka dots. This is Just. I've never heard of this brand before. It's a size extra small. It's like another little midi dress, and I don't know where the flaws are. There has to be a flaw, right? I don't know. I can't see the flaw. Oh, here's the flaw. You have to really inspect it. Again, another hole on the seam here on the waist. I think that's an easy fix. Yep, I think I can fix that. This is Joa, Just One Answers. This one I can already tell it needs a new zipper. It's stuck. It's a cute little, is this a dress or I think it's a top or a dress. Oh my God. It's a small. has to be a top, right? Okay, so this needs a zipper. Okay, sweater. This is white. I can't see it. They have these stickers, white Warren. This is a large. Oh, this is a cute little cardigan. Cropped cardigan. I can't find the flaw. Oh, I mean, it has like a little hole right here. I mean, I think you can stitch that up and sell it on Poshmark. And then the last one is a pair of slacks. This is Habit. So these are like joggers. And they are size extra large. Habitual, there you go. I don't know my brands. Habitual, extra large. These are slacks. I don't know if like these are returns or what. I don't see a flaw. I don't see a flaw. I think the elastic is shot. Yeah, I can hear it crunch. Yep, the elastic has been stretched out. It would need to be replaced. I don't know how to do that. So that was everything in this mystery box. That was 7 pieces that have flaws. I don't see a hole. It's just super pilly. So I don't understand if these are like returns or if they're like excess inventory. I need to look up this little label that it has, but I mean, this can be cleaned up. I mean, I'll try and send it into ThreadUp, but I don't know if they'll take it. If anything, I'll list everything. This is 7 pieces. If I list them for $10 each, I mean, that's still profit. This is just a stain. I'll treat it with some OxyClean. That's good. This dress is gorgeous. This silk dress, I mean, this is really nice. So I'm definitely going to repair this. This one, another hole on the seam that can be easily repaired. I don't know. I suck at zippers, so I don't know if I can repair this. This will make a really cute top. We'll see. I like this little cardigan, cropped cardigan. It just needs a simple little stitch in the back. And then I think somebody would wear it as is, these joggers. I'm gonna link Denali's closet, Poshmark closet, down below, where she is selling these repair boxes. And you know, you never know, you could find something new with tags, or you could find something like that silk dress that could be repaired, that you could easily make your money on. Or if you're just a crafty person with awesome sewing skills, this would be a fun box to get into, to repurpose these pieces. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment down below any questions or things you would like to see from me. As always, take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.